Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clean up your injectors. For the first step I use a ultrasonic tank with water and a degreaser. We can use a WD-40 or a general kitchen degreaser or a carburetor cleaner. Before starting with washing, we have to remove all the O-rings on the injectors. There are 2 O-rings on every one. Now, put the injectors in the tank and fill it with the distilled water. Now set the wash time to 6 minutes. And here we go. Okay, now remove the plastic parts from the tank and fill it with the new distilled water. And now we can add a degreaser. Choose from WD-40, General Kitchen Degreaser, or a carburetor cleaner. I use the last one. Now set the washing machine at 6 minutes and repeat this passage for 2 times. For the second step, I use 2 cables, like that, with a switcher to turn on and off the power, and I connect it to a car battery. I have one under my desk. Now I use a syringe with a plastic tube with 2 metal clamps to connect the injectors at the syringe. Remember to remove the needle. I built the connectors myself by changing 2 fastens. Then I isolated with a heat shrink tube. Now connect the cables to the injector. And this is the typical click of the injector. Now you can refill the syringe with a solvent. In this video I use a lamp petroleum because don't damage the syringe. And now we're ready. Push with the syringe and switch on the injector simultaneously. That's it. Repeat this process for 2 or 3 times for every injector. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and activate the bell for next videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.